I'm blind, come to class with me.
It was pretty rainy today, but we are on our way to our romantic literature class. I was feeling lazy, so we took the elevator to the ground floor. Of course, Gemstone gets tons of treats because she's always good. We do this route all the time, so it's literally engraved into my brain, but this is literally my favorite class. I love this professor. She's super funny. She was telling us a quick little story time, and I was preparing for the quiz, and then I found out I kind of bombed the quiz. Let's not say. My guide dog just sleeps throughout the class, snoring really loudly. We did some group work, we analyzed John Keats, and then it was time to go to my next class, which is my Shakespeare class. To be quite honest, I never understand what Shakespeare is saying, but I love this class nevertheless. We walked to our next class. Gemstone was able to find the door with ease, and after that, I didn't record much because somebody started talking to me and I totally forgot I was filming this vlog, but thank you for watching.
Accessibility Officer.